You have always stored Coke in the fridge wrong and didn't know. That's right, guys. If you went home after having a nice glass of Coke, when you put it away, you do this. Or maybe you do this. Leaving it in this position. If you do, you're doing it wrong. That's why many times when you go for another glass sometime later, it's already flat. It's basically like a bad juice, right? And it's really terrible to drink soda like that, don't you think? So I'm gonna give you a very simple solution right now so you can conserve the gas in your soda, your Coke, for much longer. Let's go. So guys, here I have this Coke. I just bought it. And of course, it's pretty fizzy right now. But then, after having yourself a glass, or maybe serving it for gas eventually, and when it's time to close it, some people try some crazy tricks, but they don't work. This is the first one. Some people, before closing it, squeezes the bottle like this, and then closes the bottle to try to conserve gas inside. But it doesn't work. Another one is that people just close it, but every time they go for another glass, they shake it like this, which doesn't work either. What you can actually accomplish with this is maybe spill some. So, in order to keep it fizzy in a way that actually works, this is what you gotta do. Keep it in the fridge upside down. That's right. Let me explain you why. When you store your soda in this position, or even lying down, you see it right here on the lid, this part is not 100% sealed. So, little by little, inside your fridge, the gas comes out through this lack of sealing. But when you keep the bottle upside down, the gas is trapped in this space here. See? It can't go down because of the liquid, and it won't come out on top either, unless your bottle has a hole up here. But we hope that's not the case, right? So I got this other bottle for 3 days in my fridge, going up to 4 days now, which I'm keeping in this position. So let's go ahead and open it in order to check if it's still fizzy or not. Listen. Check this out, folks. Almost 4 days in the fridge, and yet it's still pretty fizzy. And that's really awesome. Check it out. Here I just show you guys with Coke, but of course you can do it with any other soda. So that's it, everyone. It's a pretty cool and simple tip, and I even challenge you to start storing your soda upside down. Leave in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, consuming it regularly. And then do the test. If it doesn't still fizzy, you can go ahead and tell me in the comments. Because I'm sure if you try it, your soda will stay fizzy for much longer.